Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be unboxing a Malifuax Dead Rider from the Resurrectionist faction from Weird Games. But first of all I want to say a huge thank you to my YouTube channel sponsors Goblin Gaming, who sent me the box set out for review. If you check the description box down below you'll find a direct link to Goblin Gaming's web store, and anytime you purchase anything from this store it greatly helps my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so let's get on with the unboxing. So first of all, as we look at the front of the box, we can see some fantastic artwork of the Dead Rider, and on the back we can see the computer-aided design form of the Dead Rider. Now I think this looks wonderful. The only thing I don't like is that knife protruding from the centre of the head of the horse. It looks like some kind of weird unicorn, so I will be cutting that off on my model. But anyway, let's unbox the miniature. So first of all, as I pull this out the box, if I can, we've got one sprue that's been cut, and this looks like a very simplistic miniature to put together, but I'll confirm that when I come back and it's fully built in a while. But as you can see, there's not that many parts to this Dead Rider model. We also get a large 50mm base, and we get the stat card, and we can see it has some great abilities. If you want to read them guys, you can pause the video. I'll try and get it in focus so you can have a read of it. But it's got a defense of 5, willpower of 6, 10 wounds, a walk of 6, a charge of 10, and his height 3. Okay guys, what I'm going to do now guys is just build the miniature off camera, and we'll come back when it's all built. Here we can see what the Dead Rider looks like after being built. Building the Dead Rider was really straightforward guys. It took me about 5 to 10 minutes to cut him off the sprues, clean up some of the mould lines and glue him together with some plastic cement glue there. Really straightforward build for the Dead Rider there. As regards to aesthetics, I think it looks wonderful. I love the look of the Grim Reaper sitting on top of that horse. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is the blade protruding from the centre of the horse's head there. It sort of like spoils the look a little bit. I think, I don't know, it's growing on me a little bit more than it was in the box art. But I'm not sure whether I'm going to clip it off yet or not. But anyway, let me know what you think in the comments field down below. Would you cut the blade off the horse's head, or would you just keep it and maybe just rusty it up a bit to make it look a bit more grim and menacing? But thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to check the description box below for links to Goblin Gaming, and I'll catch you in the next one.